What do you do when you have outlets that are no longer flush with the wall and you want them to look like this? Stick around, I'll show you a quick fix. I recently added a tile wall in this kitchen, and when I did that, the outlets are now no longer flush with the wall, so the plate covers just don't sit on it right. And that's because I put the tile on top of the drywall, so I added some depth. Luckily though, it's a very simple DIY fix you can do yourself using outlet spacers. You can find these at any home improvement store. I've got them linked in the description for you. They just come in little strips and you can break off however many you need. I'm going to start with just 2 and see if that's enough. First thing you want to do is turn the breaker off to the receptacle that you'll be working on, and then we're going to unscrew it from the outlet box. Next, you just take the spacers and you're going to take the screw from your outlet, poke it through the spacers, and then into the outlet box. Depending on how many spacers you need, you may need to get longer outlet screws. The ones that came with mine are going to work just fine since I'm only using 2. And then you're just going to screw the outlet back into the box with the spacers now in between. And then you can put the outlet cover back on and see if it's enough. If not, you can undo it, add some more spacers. And that's all there is to it. Now your outlet is flush with the wall plate and looking good as new. And of course, you can do it for light switches as well. If you have the same problem, same process, you're just going to turn the power off to the switch, unscrew it, pop the spacers in, screw it back. And then of course, pop your wall plate on and you're good to go. This works for all switch types, even the paddle switches or GFCI like I have here. And it is good not only for if you're adding tile to the wall, but if you added wood planks or shiplap or anything like that to where your outlets are now no longer flush, this is an easy fix. Drop any questions in the comments. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.